You've been there just about a year, as we described. You've got some priorities: AI, CX, ZTA. 3 years from now, I know there's a lot of different systems, the Southwest border systems that are, at various levels of maturity. You got contactless airport activities, a lot of moving parts over at Homeland Security. What are you thinking it's going to look like? What do you want it to look like? What are you expecting it to look like 3 years from now?
So I've always said that if I'm doing a good job, I'm not needed. And I don't know how my peers in this world feel about that, especially those in the private sector. But the idea is we are solving a connectivity problem, right? We are solving connectivity problem between everything happening in the organization. We're trying to make sense of things, find the patterns, et cetera. And I think what we're going to see at DHS over the next 3 to 5 years is redefining what sharing means. So, right now everybody thinks of sharing as like, okay, give me your data. And now when I think about, 10 years ago, we're like that meant an API. Now, APIs are, but I think in general, sharing needs to be the new standard, right? Transparency and sharing amongst all the components. We have the same mission. We all fill out the same SF-86 and the same, security forms and the same public trust and, whether it's application data, whether it's best practices, whether it's cyber telemetry data, whether it's, the scripts for serverless computing, whether it is, interfaces, ideas with peers. I think we're going to be getting into an environment where, my office and where the department is focusing on how can the components share everything all the time, be respectful of civil rights and civil liberties, be respectful of privacy, be respectful of mission, but at the same time, every single component is doing great things in different areas, and we all have something to gain from one another. So that is a passion. It is a priority, and I think we're going to see that naturally that's where the department is going to be unknowingly spending a lot of time, and we're starting to realize tangible and intangible benefits of that.